we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Menu, I have one hoodie. Hi guys, Cristina here. How have you been? It's been a long time since the last vlog. Probably it will be last vlogmas. I don't remember exactly right now, but has been a long time, probably 8 months, probably. But I'm back with vlogs. I have a lot of things to show you guys. I'm going to reopen my shop very soon, and I'm going to add some prints, but also I'm working in some designs for t-shirts and hoodies and tote bags. And I'm really excited about that, so I really hope you guys love what I'm doing. The thing is with the shop is that I'm trying to work different designs, even text designs, and not that much, you know, girl portrait. So I think it's going to be open to more public, and it's probably that it's going to like to more people, because I know that only girl portraits can be not for everyone. So that's why I decided that I wanted to change a few things. Also, I cut my hair. Probably if you see, if you have been seeing these draw with me videos that I have been posting, and the one for Instagram, you will see that I had the hair much longer, but it was too hot that I just really need to cut, you know. I just received the last book for the ones I have been working over this year. I mean, guys, I can believe that I just made 4 books, you know, 4 books in 1 year. It has been a very stressing moment of my life, I can't lie. And that's why I stopped doing this kind of blog. It took me a lot of time to, you know, edit, put all together and things. And over this 6 months, and probably less than 6 months, I did 2 of them. So it was very concentrated. But yeah, I'm happy that finally they are here, and I have this small collection of drawings, of books. I think they are looking pretty well. This is the first one that I did last year. Also these 2. By the way, guys, I think I didn't show you, but on January I just bought this big and chunky bookshelf. So also I put here some, well, you already see it on other videos, but I just wanted to explain you, like the LED lights. And I think now I can have a lot of stuff here. I'm very happy with this purchase. And another, you know, guys, now my home looks like this. Everything on the floor for the cat, you know, food here, play. This is the scratcher, but it has other scratch, bed, carrier, litter, you know, the cat litter, a lot of, you know, toys. and here we have another bed and another scratcher. The thing is that I have to move the plants. Right now I think she's not eating the plants, but today he has been playing, you know, with the soil. So I don't know, guys, what to do. I don't know what to do because I wrote that monsteras are toxic for cats. And I'm very sad because I really wanted to have these plants for a long time. So I think I will need to train her to not eat it. Also, I just had to put everything on top of this kind of this shelf because she is like climbing everywhere, you know, on the sofa, here, there. Also, look at the curtains. This is the new trend of how you have to put the curtains. Oy, 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 oy.
Cierto. Y punto.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Hi guys, happy Wednesday. It's 2 p.m. right now. I have been this morning working on some editing. I have been editing the sketch session for patrons. I decided to make it traditional. So yesterday I completely forgot to show you the result, but I'm going to do it right now. And also I am uploading, well, not uploading, but preparing like the I'm preparing the video for today. It's the first time I'm going to set up a Premiere. I don't know how it works. I think it's cool that you can share this Premiere with your followers and you can chat with them. So I want to try it. And yeah, this is what I have been doing basically this morning. This afternoon I have to write a lot on the project I'm working, but I can tell you because it's completely secret. I'm going to show you what I did yesterday for the sketch session. I did this fourth portrait. I think my favorite is this one, and I really want to put some color on it, but first I want to do like the line art. I'm a little bit scared, but I want to try it and see what happens. You know, if I didn't try it, I'm never going to learn how to do it. Also, this one is cool. This one I had to redo it twice. But yeah, finally, also I think it's looking nice. And it has been a long time since I just practice, you know, traditional art. But this is one Draw This in Your Style I did for, I think it's Eloise Girard, but I never finished. And here are more portraits. More portraits. I painted this one on Procreate. This has been this morning. I'm going to make lunch right now. Today is last day that Luis come home for lunch. Also, baby cat is sleeping right now under the couch. I think she's more fresh there because all this week has been super hot. Today is the first day that actually is not that hot. And he has been very active over the morning and we have been playing. But yeah, I think now it's time for it's nap time. So nap time is always like #1 thing to do if you're a cat, of course.
just as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
He estado dedicando tiempo a darle un aire nuevo al blog, ya que he cambiado lo que es el branding de mi marca, mi branding. The way to draw or the time to draw, or I didn't wanted to draw. I'm in a moment, well, you know guys, that I have been in this kind of not art blog, but questioning all about my style. Hi guys, happy Friday. Today is the last day of the blog, but before saying goodbye, I wanted to show you a little bit of a glimpse of my website and the products I have been adding for. Remember I told you that I wanted to do some prints. Prints aren't still ready, but also I wanted to add like hoodies and t-shirts and tote bags. So I already have some designs there that I wanted to show you. And also I wanted to show you before leaving how it ended up looking, the digital version of the drawing I was inking yesterday. You have been seeing the process of the sketching and then the inking, and now I wanted to show you the final version of the digital version of I did on Procreate. So let's jump to the computer and I can show you the things, and I really hope guys you like what you see, because I am trying to stay very creative to do these t-shirts and hoodies and tote bags. Okay guys, so this is my website. You see I just changed the logo. I really love how this logo looks. And also here is the apparel menu. I have one hoodie and 4 t-shirts and also these 2 tote bags. This is the first design. You already saw it on Instagram. This has been posted. I'm still thinking about the color of the t-shirt. I'm not sure if I really like this pink. Next one is this one here, the Stay Creative t-shirt. I really love this one, and I can't wait to have mine. I made an order to, to get some samples, and this one here is one of them. And yeah, one of my favorite, I have to say that. Also here is another one with a portrait. That's what I was saying, guys, that I am making portraits, I am making text, and also you will see I'm making like simpler designs. So it's going to be for the taste of everyone. I have a version of this t-shirt in black, But I decided this time I wanted to put it on cream color because I think it matches better with the drawing. But yeah, the black version is not bad. I mean, I really like how it looks, but probably, I don't know, I think it works better this color instead of black. And this one is the hoodie, guys, and also one of my favorites. And one of my favorite colors because I love navy blue. And I put this design here for the self-love, with the self-love message. I really love how it ended up looking this. And I think this is like something you can put on, you know, you can go on by the street with that, and it's nice. Also, I made an order with this one and I can't wait to have it. And I did the tote bag of this design also in this cherry blossom, cherry color. Is that wine color? I don't know in English name. But also, by the way, I have to say that this is organic cotton, okay? And I think this one here is also organic cotton, and this one here. I mean, I'm trying to work with organic products as much as possible. So yeah, this one is organic, so I really love it. Also, I have made an order with that. And the last design I made, I'm going to put it here so you can see better, is this Plant Mama t-shirt. So also navy blue. I think it works so good with these kind of greens and yellows and oranges. So yeah, this is so far the designs I have. This is the tote bag. I made it in black because it's not available on navy blue. But also it works fine with black. What do you think, guys? And last but not least, this is the digital version of the drawing I was inking yesterday that you have seen in a few clips before. I'm trying to work, guys, with inking on iPad, and I'm trying to keep as simple as possible, you know. I want to give more comic vibes to my drawings by simplifying the painting process. I still have a lot to do because obviously I can put more detail on the braids, but overall I think it looks very, very cute. Let me see if you can see details. Before leaving, I want to say a big thank you to my patrons. They let me work on what I'm doing, what I'm working on. So they let me work on my shop. They let me work creating art, also to create videos on YouTube. So thank you. Thank you so much. If you are a patron, your support means a lot to me. And even I don't say thank you too much often. I really think I should do, because guys, you are here month after month, so thank you so much for making this possible. And say that, guys, see you on the next video. Bye bye.